Welcome to Servlet Tutorials. In this tutorials, we can see how to create cookies in Servlet applications. So to create cookies, we need a web application. We can start up with one web application in this NetBeans IDE. So right click on the project tab and go for a new project. So under new project tab, so you can find the Java web and web application. So go for next, and here the name of the web application is cookies demo. I will take cookies cookies program. That's it. Then click on next and next and finish it. Okay. So this is the web application which was created. So name of this web application is cookies program. I just given cookies PROG here, and here I will edit this index.jsp application first. I will create a text field and the password field here. Under the form type, form action equals to my Servlet, and method equals to get. So this is the form type which is created right now. Name and input type equals to text and the name equals to user name. And here the break and here the password. Input type equals to password and the name equals to pass. And go for the break, and I'll use this button here. Input type equals to submit, name equals to not a name, value equals to submit. Alright, so this is the form. This is what actually the input type text and input type password means. A text field and a password that was created with one submit button here. So I just run this application right now. Right, so this application is running here. Just put some name and password. You can submit. So here comes my Servlet. So the Servlet is not yet created right now, so we need to create this Servlet right now. I'll create with this Servlet. So go to the IDE and go for creating Servlet here. So here in this project on the web pages, right click and go for the Servlet. So the name of the Servlet is supposed to be my Servlet, and we need to add the information to the web.xml, that means deployment descriptor, and finish this. Alright, so we'll remove some unwanted code. So code means comments here. And these codes are not necessary right now. So here I can use a catch statement exception E. Alright, so this is my servlet on the servlet file, which is a .java application, and this my servlet has been called from this index.jsp. That action was provided in a form tag, which is nothing but form action is equal to my servlet, which invokes this servlet. So I'm passing the method get method passes the parameters to the my servlet, and that my servlet is able to retrieve the parameter using the request.getParameter method. So that's which is nothing but a request object method, and here we can retrieve those parameters here. So first of all, I'll create with a string variable username comma password here, and I'll go for username equals to request.getParameter, that is nothing but user name, and password equals to request.getParameter, that's nothing but pass. So these are the names of the controls which was given in the index.jsp. So this username, so here this username and this pass are the names which are given to the controls over here in this index.jsp. For the text field username, and for the password field the name is supposed to be pass. So when we use some text over here, for example, if you put some text under the name tab, so I put some text over here, so that's nothing but and password I will put some pass. So this name and name means this value and this value are referred using the names which were given to these controls in the index.jsp application over here, and those parameters, those values will be stored to the string variable, that is username and the password. So we are using string variables here because this request.getParameter, the getParameter method, which will returns a string value. So that will be stored to the username and the password, which is coming from this the controls which has username and the password in the index.jsp application. So this is the way of accessing the values from JSP or HTML to servlet. So here we need to set cookies here. So how to set cookies we can see in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial.